Okay, so this diagram is showing 3 over 5 over here, so 3 are colored in. This is showing 2 over 3 as 2 are colored in, and this is combining them. So if we multiply this, we're combining it together, and when we combine the rows and columns together, we get 15 different squares, and out of the 15 different squares, only 6 of them are overlapping between the two. So that's how we get 6 over 15, and this is part A. So in part B, we're shown a number line, and actually in our number line, it doesn't really make sense. I think this might be a typo here. So in order for this to work, it has to be 1 and 2, not 0, 2, and then 3. So if this is the case, then we're seeing that we're going up by half each time, and so it's going to be half times by 3, or 3 times as being multiplied. So half times by 3, and that gives us 3 over 2, which is what we end up with here, where it's 1.5, and that's equal to 3 over 2. So this must be our answer.